from the Midland Public Library. Welcome to another fun Crafternoon video. Today I'm going to show you how to fold your very own origami paper crane. And for this craft or this activity, all you're going to need is a piece of origami paper. If you don't have origami paper, you can cut any piece of paper to a square. A lighter paper like a newspaper might work a little bit better, or even a piece of a magazine. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fold your two sides into each other to make two rectangles and to make a crease in the shape of a plus sign. Once you have this crease, you're going to create a crease in the shape of an X, and to do this you're going to fold two corners to one another to form a triangle, and you're going to do this twice so that you get your X crease. Once you have your X crease, you're going to keep one of those triangles folded, and you're going to fold two sides into one another to create a diamond where one side is completely closed, and that's going to be your top, and one side is open, and that's your bottom. Next, I'm going to create a shape that I like to call an ice cream cone. And to do this, I'm going to take my open sides and create 4 triangle folds. So you can see that I've created 2 triangles there, and one side already looks like an ice cream cone. And now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do those 2 folds again and create something that really looks like an ice cream cone. I'm going to take that top part, which is a little triangle, and I'm going to make a crease by folding it down towards the bottom. And I'm going to do that twice, once on each side. The next fold is a little tricky. I'm going to open up my triangle, and I'm going to open it up to a diamond, but I'm just going to fold it on the crease that I just made to create this long diamond shape. And I'm going to do that twice, once on each side. So there's one side, and now I'm going to do it again. So there I am. I'm opening it up, and I'm putting my finger on that fold I just made, and I'm doing it one more time. And with the shape, you have kind of what you're going to get is a piece of paper that has some legs, some dancing legs. So you can see one side is closed and one side has these 2 legs that you can move back and forth. Next, I'm going to take those legs that are going to turn into my crane's neck and tail, and I'm going to fold them. I'm going to fold it 4 times. So I'm going to take every side and fold it into the middle so that I get even thinner legs. Okay. Next, I'm going to open up those legs I just folded, and I'm going to fold them up into what will become our crane's wings. So there they are, folding again. I always find that naturally one side is going to look a lot like a crane's neck, and I'm going to fold a beak with it, and one side is going to look like a tail. Now, the thing with this project is practice definitely will make better paper cranes. So there's my paper crane, and here's one I made earlier, and I'm just pulling out its wings gently so that it has a bit of a thicker body. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next week. Bye.